What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. Did you know there's apps and websites that'll pay you just to watch ads and various content? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get paid just by watching ads on your phone. Sounds fake, right? But I've done the research so you don't have to, and I've weeded out the real from the fake. So although these websites and apps are legit, it's a very slow process earning any real meaningful money. So as long as you keep your expectations reasonable, it is an easy way to make some extra cash every month. Some apps even allow you to make more money by taking paid surveys, completing tasks, and clipping coupons. Alright, so the first app is InboxDollars, which has 4 stars on Google Play and 4.5 stars on the App Store. If you're looking for a good, quick, and easy way to make money watching ads, this is an easy choice. InboxDollars is a real online rewards club that has paid over $60 million in cash. You can earn rewards by watching a variety of short videos daily. There's also other money-making opportunities, including web searches, playing games, and signing up for online promotional offers. So you can also earn $5 just by signing up, but you will need to have earned $30 to get paid. And your payout's gonna be through PayPal, e-payment, or you can request a check. But if you request a check, it's gonna take anywhere from 10 to 15 days to receive that check. According to reviews, some members earn hundreds of dollars a month. Others earn only a few dollars, but it's just gonna depend on how active you are on this website. Next is Swagbucks, which has 4.2 stars on Google Play and 4.4 stars on the App Store. Swagbucks is another online reward site where you can earn points or Swagbucks by watching a variety of videos and ads online. In addition to watching videos, you can also earn Swagbucks by shopping online, answering surveys, and clipping coupons. You can also earn Swagbucks when you sign up for new services, check out free samples, and more. If you prefer cash, the payment threshold for PayPal is $5 or 500 Swagbucks. So according to the website, you can earn from $50 to $200 a month just by using Swagbucks. And from the reviews I've read online, that statement is true. One person said, "The money I got from Swagbucks helped me fund my temp job with gas and meals. For the most part, it's pocket change, but you also get to save when you shop." Next is Ibotta, which has 4.5 stars on Google Play and 4.8 stars on the App Store, and over 11 million downloads combined. With Ibotta, you can get cash back every time you shop online, in the app, or in store, and get exclusive cashback offers from some of your favorite stores and brands. So the way it works is when you're ready to shop, you download the app, and you can choose from over 750 stores, including Walmart, Best Buy, and more. Shop as usual, and when you're ready to check out, the app will calculate your cash back and add them to your Ibotta earnings. Just remember to activate the app when you're shopping. You can also earn with Ibotta when you shop in stores with offers on individual products or instant cash back on your entire purchase. All you do is pick your store, add offers from products you plan to buy, and after you purchase those products, take a picture of your receipt and upload them to the Ibotta app. When you do that, you'll get cash back on qualifying purchases and your Ibotta earnings. So while you're really not making money watching TV with this app, Ibotta may require you to watch ads to claim your rewards and earnings. So when you shop with Ibotta, and when it's come to my attention, I don't know if I'm saying it right. Is it Ibotta? Is it Ibotta? I know somebody's gonna give it to me down in the comments, but it's all good. These guys need to start naming their companies regular names like Smith & Sons or something like that, because I don't know, Ibotta just doesn't work for me. Cashing out is pretty easy. All you need is $20 to cash out with Ibotta, and you can request payment through PayPal, or you can request it through a gift card. So Ibotta is a quick and easy way to make some extra money. And don't forget, when you sign up with Ibotta as a first-time member, you can receive a $20 purchase when you sign up using the link in my description. Next is Irazzoo. So this is another one. I don't know if it's Irazzoo or it's Irazzoo. I'm just gonna say Irazzoo, fine. All right, so this one right here is a lesser known website, but reading the reviews online, despite it not having the best customer service, it checks out and does have a Trustpilot score of 4.6 out of 5, so it is legit. Irazzoo bills itself as the world's most popular rewards program. I really don't know how true that is because I've never heard of this website until I started doing all this research. With Irazzoo, you can get paid to watch ads and videos on your phone. You can also share your opinion on the newest ads and movie trailers, watch short films, cooking tutorials, and more. There's over 50 channels of content, and inventory refreshes daily. In addition to watching videos and ads, you can also earn points by entering promo codes, reading emails, and completing offers. Once you've earned 3,000 Irazzoo points, you can cash them out for gift cards like Amazon, or you can also request cash through PayPal. According to its website, Irazzoo has already paid out over $169 million to its users. So although this app is legit, it does have mixed reviews, with one person saying it's the greatest app ever, and another person saying they can't even log in. Another review saying this app is real good and pays actual money. The next saying this thing is nonsense. So take this app with a grain of salt. And if you want me to do any more in-depth reviews on any of these apps, let me know in the comment section. Moving on, the next app is Viggle, and this is another lesser known app, but it's been downloaded over 1 million times. This app is said to provide free entertainment rewards to music and TV fans, but can you really make money with the Viggle app? With Viggle, you can earn points by watching TV TV via your cable or satellite provider. You can also earn points with games and surveys, but the surveys can be pretty time consuming. There's also a ton of options for rewards that you can easily trade your points in for, like gift cards and more. So how much can you make per month using this app? Well, this is where it gets confusing. Viggle allows you to earn up to 60,000 Viggle points per month. At the time of this review, 1 perk point equals 20 Viggle points, while 1,000 perk points are worth $1. However, when it comes to gift cards and merchandise, the value of your perk point will depend on what you're redeeming them for. I will say most of the reviews I've been reading lately on Viggle have been mostly negative. Apparently, this app hasn't been performing like it used to. People who watch TV and use this app along with it like it a lot more than the people that don't. So take from that what you will. So at any rate, this app really isn't too bad and may be worth a download if you watch a lot of TV or cable. So look, are you gonna get rich watching TV with any of these apps? Of course not. And how much you make depends on the time you put in and the platform you use. So choose wisely. Just don't quit your day job. In the long run, there's better ways to invest your time. But if you're just kicking back on your phone anyway, why not? So I hope this video helped you out. Links in the description. Check you on the next one.